Hello, Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and well, how are you? I'm good, and I'm coming in Saudi Arabia working in Stacy Internet. This wife and Stacy, the working, the wife handle. So this work, this work is the hard working, is exceeding everything. This work. The car the this Sharika Hive